Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Thanks for staying with us. Palace Amusement released financials showing the extent of the COVID-19 shutdown on its cinema operations. The company said with cinemas closed for the entire fourth quarter of its financial year, which ended on June 30, its revenues fell 17% short of the previous year to $920 million. Palace Amusement said before that, its revenues were on track to surpass the $1.1 billion it made in the prior year as blockbuster hits such as The Lion King, Bad Boys for Life, Star Wars, Jumanji, and Spider-Man brought out patrons. However, with the closure, the end result was a 23% dip in attendance, which, with costs still remaining, contributed to a $99 million loss. Now, no dividend was declared, and shareholders will get a chance to question the board at an AGM scheduled for January 28 at the Carib Theatre in Crossroads, St. Andrew. Cygnus Credit Investments has extended the subscription period for its additional public offering APO. The company is seeking to raise up to $3.3 billion from the offer, which it says will be used to repay a short-term debt and invest in instruments issued by medium-sized firms. The original offer period for shareholders to purchase the shares was December 18 to 23. However, the company extended that period to December 30. In its prospectus, it said if it raises less than half the funds being sought, it would return the monies on offer to those making an offer. It, however, said it would upsize the offer based on subscriptions. Now, that's the Financial Week. In international news and our Bite of the Week, they're both after the break. Please stay with us.